trying to start it. It's cold outside.
There goes our mailbox.
Come on. There we go. You can do it. Yes. Come on. There we go. Come on. Uh-oh.
Let's go through the battery.
We gotta charge it up.
It's the beginning of, I would say, our snowstorm of February.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do the vehicle shuffle. Get the mud truck out of the way so the plow guy can haul up everything and hopefully doesn't smash up the wheel horse or bury the trailer in. I think we're going to stick the truck over on the side. Gotta charge it first though. My Napa battery shit the bed. It's not holding. I think I gotta get Danny a new battery for the truck. So we're going to shuffle it around anyways. Pisser on YouTube's actually going to paint our truck for us. Said he's got the paint color, same paint code. I got to look to see if the code's the same actually still. So actually I'll do it right now. So he can look at the video himself and know. So there's everything to it. Maybe you can tell me if you've seen it in there. I forgot what you told me. Interior cleaned up pretty good. Everything's looking new. Got a console I'm going to put in the middle, seeing it doesn't have an armrest or anything. Got it out of that old 84 Chevy stepside that broke in half. It just went to the junkyard. Kirby and Harold wound up doing that with a 99 Lincoln. They wound up doing that for us. Pulled the motor out of it, and the 305 that Junior put in it, that nice motor that I was going to put into the Cutlass so we could drive. Well, Junior didn't put any water in it, or didn't put any antifreeze in it, I should say. And now the block is froze, pushed out all the soft plugs and cracked the block. So there's a nice 305, brand new 305 actually, that Junior never winterized or said he had antifreeze in it anyways. But that's gone. That's junk. So we got a 350, new connecting rods and stuff. I mean, those all rebuilt, I guess, or pretty much redone by Harold. We're going to put in there. And don't forget the snowcross this weekend. We're going to the snowcross, Amco snowcross. So check out them videos. That should be pretty good. Sounds exciting, huh? It's going to be cold. Especially if we're going to have this snowstorm. Ought to bring in some good snow for it though.
We had to pull the seat up.
Did you see that ashtray?
Yep. I had to pull the seat up for reach of the pedal.
Our little pick 'em up.
And there she is.
Oh, it's over here. That's good.
No.
It's light.